Hello, back again to Golang Microservices full course, and today we will going to split the scheduler service in the way that we have in the monolith last time. So now I think I want to try to code on that's we no need to have a theory first, so because this is just the scheduler service, right? And then I think make file I will add scheduler service here, which is no, I think I want to from up. What is this? This is no need. I think this no need lah. API gateway no need. We don't have anything here. Inside we split for the service to service call scheduler service triggering cleanup jobs. So I think first I want to create the scheduler service or proto. Yeah, it's up to me, right? Okay, I think make file that's the easiest part. Okay, here I add a scheduler service and go work I think cd git pull origin master. I think make directory scheduler service, and I go work use dot scheduler service, and for go work no, I think we need to the scheduler service go mod init github.com/special code/go wallet/microservices/scheduler service, and then I put again in here go work scheduler service. So we have already add here. Then what's the other docker compose? I think I need to add the env for file which for the out gRPC address and out gRPC port which is here, and out gRPC address which is here. Okay, then I add here in the go wallet out service my in the docker compose 87, I think 87 which is here. Yeah, out service inside out service go wallet out service ms. Yeah, then inside here we add also in the environment which is upper here our gRPC address. This is 100. Yeah, should be in the 100 one. I think this is 88 and this is 188, and then this is 100 g. Okay, wallet gRPC address okay, here I think. So then I add the scheduler service here inside bottom inside here primary service. Okay, after this scheduler service, so it's reconnect. I think I also need to depends on here which is here primary service started is scheduler service started to do depends scheduler service is this one, and then yep, and here I think in the proto what we add inside is here out proto. We add an out proto because we want to clean up the OTP inside this proto out dot proto we are copy paste here, and then inside the RPC transaction service transaction proto here. For the generate daily report that we have last time, we also copy here, and then reconcile balance for the wallet proto reconcile balance. Don't forget to add the request and response message. This is something like a struct, it's very important. And then yeah, I think that's all for this. Now we just doing the proto what I forgot. We try to check docs. So how to create the proto run go out microservice protoc. Okay, I think protoc, yeah, protoc here. What we have to do, protoc go out, this one. So yeah, we are already changed the out transaction and wallet. I want to go out proto slash out first, out proto, then we got here. I add again proto for transaction dot proto, and then also for wallet dot proto. Okay, so here we need to copy, which is inside the transaction. I think transaction is we to move right, just move. Okay, I think move github.com go wallet, and what we have here is transaction first, transaction microservice wallet service, move github go wallet microservice go wallet microservice wallet service, and wallet proto wallet dash go to wallet service and proto wallet. Yeah, this we move, and then we also move github go wallet microservice transaction service proto and transaction, and then go to transaction service proto and then transaction, and here. Okay, we enter, we get a move, and then we make directory if there is no scheduler service dash p scheduler service, then we create a proto, then we create the scheduler. Okay, because in the scheduler service I think we are okay. So scheduler service, where is the scheduler service proto used for? No, I think not in here. Okay, wait, insert out service. We are going to create in the out service. I think out service, do we have a proto? No. So I'm directory dash p out service proto out slash this. So service proto, I move mv github code go wallet microservice out service, and then proto asterisk dot go, then out service proto out. Okay, and I want to rmrf dash rf github.com, and I go here. Okay, should be good. Yeah, proto is done. we have the proto. Then API gateway, I think no need, we leave it like that. Okay, so we do in the scheduler service inside cmd and internal cmd. I create a main.go. I copy here for the main.go. Yep. Okay, then we create an internal scheduler jobs.go, internal scheduler jobs.go. Here we add also for the scheduler.go. Here scheduler.go, I think that should be good. Okay, that should be good. Then we don't have an error, but we have our service gRPC need to share. I think the share one here in the config. We need to create in the config first, share config in here. Where is this? 29. Okay, and then our gRPC inside 132 is here. Okay, so then I add out service here inside 190 to 104 is here. Okay, then should be good. Make tidy. After make tidying payment service, scheduler service. Okay, scheduler should be download this one. As usual, we have a trigger cleanup, and then we have a trigger balance reconcile. I want to go to the cd scheduler and go mod tidy inside here. It should be, I think, replacing, yeah, we need to replace with it at this one go mod tidy. We try, yeah, I think no error now, and cd pack make tidy. Okay, our service successfully. So we change the go mod and go some into API gateway. No need, because this is updating. I think no need. And for our service, I need here, I want to close all first in out service inside cmd out gRPC. I want to import here out gRPC, and then here I want to start set 97. Starting this one pb outs is still an error because here I need to import, and then after that create the gRPC server inside the out service. Inside the out service is gRPC server internal out. Okay, create a gRPC folder, server.go, I think, yeah, server.go here. Then we have an cleanup expire token and cleanup refresh token. Then we refresh repo. I add a delete expired inside refresh repo story, refresh repo here, delete, and I add this one. I add this one here. Then we have a out pb and out proto here. Why out pb set his out pb out proto? I think we don't need it. Wait, is this same as the proto inside out proto? Yeah, the same. So this should be no need. Okay, the Docker file, we need to expose the port in the Docker file, exposing the port for gRPC. Cancel. Now proto, what is this in proto aus? Okay, so transaction is this was done, shared also done. Transaction service we need to add inside here to generate daily report, which is inside the server. Transaction server. Cool. Transaction, where is the transaction service? Server, wait, inside gRPC. Transaction service inside gRPC. Internal transaction gRPC server. Here we have an error, we need to create a quantity. Wait, here is from SVC, so rather we need to create the service again, but I want to create the repo first, which is in here, in where repository.go transaction repository.go count the day under update status, and then what is this update status mean? Update status, wait, why this one need to update status? This is status, this is id, status id status. Why? Where status is this status and id is this id. So this is wrong if we try to check this. Okay, count the day, I think I will add here. The status is we can go to implementation. Wait, we can find all implementation. No, find all references. Nothing. I think is this nothing? When I try to update status here inside the transaction service, what is happening? Update status inside this update status is the xid and fail, so status is this and the xid. Yeah, okay, this one should be fine. We don't follow the pull request that I have did here, because this is changing. I wonder why. I think I mistakenly doing that. Today has already implement. I think after that the service generate daily report. I think we need to add generate daily report here in service. What happened? I think under top up. Yep, under top up, and then we need to generate daily report here. Function transaction service, this should be under here. Okay, the service.go, the service.test has an error. We need to add the mock inside this one. Where is the mock? I need to add inside 51, which is here. No, can here as well. so no error. Wallet service, we also need to do reconcile balance inside wallet service. Okay, wallet service. After transaction service is wallet service, right? Yep. Wallet service here. Wallet service here. Reconcile balance. I was copyright. I think internal JPC server test. Wallet reconcile balance. I think here. Logger, yeah, we have done. We need to create the mock function, mock wallet repository inside the server test. Reconcile func thing, yep, we add here, that this one, and then here mock wallet repo inside here. We still have an error. Wait, in the service test after we have a mock. Yeah, I think done. Yep. Okay, I think we have an error inside this, so we need to add reconcile all in the repository here. Okay, reconcile all, then add this 105. Okay, this one should be good. Okay, and then I think that's all. And I wanted to make build Linux. And Docker Compose. Compose up is build SD. Okay, it's not set. Okay, but I will pause. Okay, I think I forgot to create the Docker file here inside scheduler service. Wait a second, scheduler service is inside here. Yeah, I forgot to create here. Then in the scheduler service Docker file. Okay, here I think we need to add also for the other Docker file, which is inside this one and inside the ledger service. Okay, wait, this one payment service, don't forget. Scheduler service also have already, I think. Transaction service, set Docker file, user service, and wallet service, and also the env, don't forget. Yep, I think that's all. We run. Yeah, how to test this is actually we need to watching inside the where scheduler service log. Here we need to know, I think we need to test whether the refresh token is deleted or not. I think I will try to close all first. Wait, close others. In here, when we go to the auth wallet refresh token, we have some of the data here. And how to test is basically we need to waiting this will be deleted inside where, inside here. Wait, when we go to the scheduler, we need to go here and trigger refresh token cleanup or OTP cleanup. We have two of them. I think the OTP is inside user, right? OTP codes, yeah. Inside here, we will see that this one need to be deleted later. This is every 3 a.m. This is every 2 a.m. Expired token, the expired token every 30 minutes. We need to waiting until 30 minutes, yeah, for faster cleanup. Inside here, cron job triggering, and then clean up expired tokens here. This is out client, which is in out service. In out service, we have already creating here, and we have a server which is clean up expired token. And then this one, clean expired refresh token. Wait, I think this is only the log, and this is delete expired is here, delete from refresh token. But we need so this is trigger clean by scheduler service clean up expired token triggered by scheduler service. OTP are currently used by user service. Our service has no OTP store. Reserve for future OTP cleanup logic once HTTP or HTTP storage move here. Where in the user service do we create this one? In the user service central proto internal, I think no, yeah. OTP should be not here, but we can wait for the expired token. I think I will pause the video to add this one first. So sorry, basically I think I haven't mistakenly copy, which is first is here. In the server.go, we do have a cleanup expired repository, right? OTP. I delete this one because this is not belong to our service but belongs to the user service. And the proto, I also changing, which is inside aus. I delete the clean expired OTPs. Inside the out proto, I move to the user, which is here. I add a cleanup. Okay, I add the cleanup expired repository here. So yeah, and then after that I do the protoc again, right? And do the protoc again. You also can do that. And then for the for the scheduler service, here I connect to user service. I add the connect to user service. With this is for transaction service and this is for the user service. This one is connecting, and start scheduler here. I also add a user client pb user client and user client yeah to share this one. So the OTP cleanup now, we're going into the scheduler service and use user client, not the host client. Okay, use the user client with the clean expired OTPs. And then in the user service, as you can see, I add here, which is pb register user service, new user service, right? Wait, the main go, yeah, only this one that I was trying to add. Okay, set main.go. If this one grpc register server, grpc server, new user server. This one I add here, new user grpc server. or repo from repository user and user repository, and then OTP repository. I add the function which is clean up expired OTPs, and this is in the repo. So go to the repo, we add in the OTP repository interface which is delete expired OTP, delete expired, this one, remove OTP from that more than now. Yeah, I think that's all. I was Docker Compose up, and I think to test, just for testing, I think I will make it 1 minutes. I think, wait, jobs, where it is job scheduler, this one, I think 1 minute can, is this, can is this, how to change to 1 minute. So okay, which is here, you can change. Wait, I think I will do that first, and then build Linux and Docker Compose up -d. I want to check here with yeah, this one. I want to look here and inside the Docker, I think waiting until running inside the scheduler service. I will try to check whether he is working or not. Fail to clean up because error dialing. So I have an error, need to check first. Got here inside the OTP clean up. If we check in the DB, okay, not deleted yet, so this one should be error. Okay, I think Docker Compose need to add user gRPC address in the scheduler service, and then also for user service. I think that's all. Skip. Okay, make build Linux, then Docker Compose up -d. I will write again inside the scheduler service here. Clean job expired OTP cleanup successfully triggered, and I think I will refresh. Yeah, this one should be deleted. Okay, this one should be good. Okay, so I change back the, sorry, I think I need to change inside the scheduler service main.go, which is inside scheduler. Here I change to 30 minutes again. So that's all. I will push this and we'll correct also merge, and see you in the next video. Thank you.